Did you know that the XB-70 Valkyrie, America's Mach 3 super bomber, could fly at speeds exceeding 2,000 miles per hour and altitudes of 70,000 feet? This futuristic aircraft was designed in the 1950s to outrun enemy interceptors and deliver nuclear payloads deep into Soviet territory. But despite its groundbreaking technology, only 2 prototypes were ever built. What led to the cancellation of one of the most ambitious bomber projects in US history? The XB-70 Valkyrie was powered by 6 massive jet engines and featured a sleek delta wing design that maximized aerodynamics. Its unique ability to utilize compression lift, where shock waves generated at supersonic speeds supported part of the aircraft's weight, reduced drag, and allowed it to achieve Mach 3 speeds. At nearly 200 feet long and weighing over 500,000 pounds, the Valkyrie was a technological marvel fabricated using advanced materials like stainless steel honeycomb panels and titanium. The idea behind the XB-70 originated during the Cold War, when speed and altitude were considered the ultimate defenses against Soviet air defenses. At the time, interceptors and anti-aircraft artillery were the primary threats to bombers, and the Valkyrie's performance was designed to outpace these systems. However, by the late 1950s, advancements in surface-to-air missile SAM technology made even Mach 3 speeds insufficient for survival. This vulnerability forced a shift in US bomber tactics toward lower altitude missions, where radar detection was more difficult. But at these altitudes, the Valkyrie's performance advantages diminished. Another major blow to the XB-70 program was the rise of intercontinental ballistic missiles (ICBMs), which could deliver nuclear payloads more efficiently and at lower cost than manned bombers. President Eisenhower doubted the necessity of the Valkyrie project, citing its high costs and potential obsolescence by the time it entered production. Although President Kennedy briefly revived interest in the program during his campaign, he ultimately canceled it in 1961 due to its $7 billion price tag and limited strategic value. Instead, the Valkyrie was repurposed as a research platform for studying supersonic flight. Despite its cancellation, the XB-70 achieved several milestones during testing. The first prototype flew supersonic in October 1964 and surpassed Mach 3 speeds a year later. The second prototype set records for sustained flight at Mach 3.08 for over 20 minutes. Tragically, this second aircraft was destroyed in a mid-air collision in June 1966, killing 2 crew members and severely injuring another. Testing continued with the first prototype until its final flight in February 1969, when it was retired to the National Museum of the United States Air Force in Dayton, Ohio. Although it never fulfilled its intended role as a strategic bomber, the XB-70 Valkyrie contributed valuable insights into supersonic flight that influenced later projects like the B-1B Lancer and SR-71 Blackbird. It remains a symbol of Cold War-era innovation, a technological wonder that came too late for its time but left an enduring legacy in aerospace history.